Let me show you something. That is a Revit drawing, and that is what I produced from using AI in minutes. Same project, different view, also AI, also in minutes. That is a floor plan rendered with furniture, materials, and people straight from Revit. And that is a bedroom interior, warm lighting, curtains, and a real couple, all from bare Revit wireframe. I have practiced architecture for over 15 years. I know what it costs to outsource rendering. I know how long traditional pipelines take, and I know what happens when your design is brilliant, but your presentation looks like a gray screenshot. You lose the job. I built this course so that never happens to you again. Blueprints to Photoreal teaches you how to turn your Revit drawings into photorealistic images and animated walkthroughs using only ChatGPT and Google Vids. 8 modules, 45 lessons, 100 copy and paste prompts, a full material reference library, and results that look like these. On your very first project, architects who learn this now are closing pitches that others are losing. The clients are choosing the firm with better visuals, not better architecture, better visuals. That firm should be yours. That architect should be you. Enroll today. The link is on the screen right now. Go there, sign up. I'll see you inside the course.